Little crab. Good. Easy. Yeah, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Slow it down. Okay, turn the front. Turn the rear. Perfect. Go. Hold the front all the way. All the way with the front. Keep going. You got it. You got it. Keep going. Nice. Crawl it. Keep going. Crawl it. Keep going. Keep it turned. Keep it turned. Okay, let off the back. Perfect. Now creep down there. Crawl it. Turn towards you. Okay, straighten out. Good. Nice. That's perfect. Come down slowly, slowly, slowly. Okay, good. Turn up the hill with the front and then follow it with the rear. Not crab the other way. Yep. Nice job. Nice job. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, if you want to step up here, that'll help you. Good job, dude. Stay to the right. Yeah, something like that. Keep going. Nice and easy. See where it's going. Turn towards you. Yep. Keep going. Keep going. A little more wheel speed. A little faster. Okay. Go that way. Turn that way. Okay, come back. Yep. Turn that way now. Oh, you got it. You got it. Turn towards you. Turn towards you. Okay, turn back a little. There it is. Turn towards you. Here it comes. Okay, watch the hill coming down. Oh man, see how perfect that was? Nice job.